Hello everybody and welcome to Caldenberg Consulting TV. I am your host, Brian Caldenberg. Today we're continuing our Google AdWords series, and we had briefly talked about in episode 1 how it's important to have Google Analytics installed on your website so you can monitor what happens once traffic comes from Google onto your website. What is that traffic doing, and is that traffic valuable or worth paying for? And then we also had talked about how it's important to do keyword research using the keyword research tool. And then last episode we talked about how click-through rate, and it's called your CTR, can play a role in how much you have to pay per click and how high you show in Google. And we talked about how you need to write ads that are very descriptive for every keyword that you're advertising on, because the more descriptive the ad is to that keyword, the higher probability that someone will click your ad. And so today we're going to go in a little bit more detail into the ad writing, the science of writing ads for Google AdWords, and talk about some of the important things to put in your ad. The first thing you want to try to do is you want to actually try to include the keyword that you're advertising on in your ad. And if you do that, it's been statistically proven to increase the click-through rate, but also you'll notice that Google bolds any keywords that are in your ad that match up with the keyword from the search query. And the headline is the biggest portion of your ad, and when Google shows your ad, the headline shows up a little bigger. It's very important to have your keyword in the headline. So let's use the example fish oil pills. One headline you might use is buy fish oil pills, or another headline you might use is omega-3 fish oil pills, or maybe another headline you could try is fish oil pills online. And I would recommend create 3 different ads with 3 different headlines, everything else being the same, but make 3 different headlines. And with Google Analytics installed and Google AdWords tracking, you'll be able to see after you get enough data in the system which of those 3 headlines did the best. And then let's move on to the body of the message. After you put the headline in, you have 2 lines where you get 35 characters in each line. Again, you want to try to put in, you want to try to use the keyword at least once in the next 2 lines. So for the next 2 lines, you might put in huge selection of fish oil pills, top brands, and then you always want to have a call to action. And you can either use shop now, sometimes free shipping is another good call to action, but you want to have a good call to action within